What's up everyone, I am Ahmed Khalifa and today I'm going to be showing you how to search and find PowerPoint presentations online, and I'm going to be showing you 5 different ways that you can do that. You might be asking, why would you want to do that? Why won't you want to find the PowerPoint presentation? Maybe because you have been to a conference or a lecture of some kind or presentation which you thought was interesting and you want to check if it's been published online so you can access it. So maybe if you have been to a university lecture or maybe a medical conference, maybe that's a good way to find out whether they have published the conference or not. So I'm going to be showing you 5 different ways you can do it. So let's head over to the screen and get onto it. One of the first ways of doing it is to use PPT search engine. All you have to do is search pptsearchengine.net. And it's very simple. All you got to do is just type in what you're looking for here, and as you can see, I've tested it. For example, you want to search for an economy based presentation online. You can see it brought it up here, and if you click on one of them, it will open up that conference and you have it right there, and you can just have a look through it as well. And obviously you can be a bit clever with it by maybe just making it more specific, because obviously economy is a bit broad, but you get the idea. That's number 1. Number 2 is obviously go straight to Google, and there are a number of different ways you can do this. So one way is obviously is to look on SlideShare. It's a popular place for anyone to publish their presentation online. It's owned by LinkedIn. So if you want to look specifically on SlideShare, of course you can go to the website, but if you search on Google, it might be more specific. So if you go to slideshare.net, you will have all the slideshare.net pages indexed on Google. But if you want to be a bit more specific, then you can maybe add something a bit extra to that. So let's just say, for example, you want to find something about a medical conference, and you type it in there and you'll find everything related to medical related presentations on SlideShare. And obviously if you click on them, you will get the presentation right there. So just click on that one, for example, and there we go, we have it right there. And that's number 2. Number 3 is just go to Google again and just type it in there and see what you can find, because there's another way you can get a more advanced search. So say for example you're going to search something about coffee, and you've been to a coffee related conference and you want to find out anything related to that, but mainly define PowerPoint presentation. Well, all you got to do is go to settings, advanced search, and obviously you can get more specific about the type of topic you want to look for, exact phrase, you want to exclude certain words, pick a languages and time and region. But what you want to do is go to this section here, so file type, any format, scroll down, and there we have it, Microsoft PowerPoint PPT. Click on that, advanced search, and there you go. It is simple as that. And again, you can get more specific with what you want to talk about by typing in further here as well. Number 4 and 5 are actually related to each other. If you go straight to Google, you can do a specific type of advanced search directly on a search bar by just typing in file type :PPT, and that is the file type for PowerPoint. You type it in there. Again, you could type in, I don't know, medical again, and there you go. And as you can see, it's all highlighted here, PPT. And once again, if you click on it, you will be able to open that PowerPoint presentation on your screen, and there we go. And I've mentioned 4 and 5 because not only you can use PPT, but you can look further and get more variety of searches. So if you type in PPTX in there as well, you get different results. And the X is really, it's like XML, which is about being open source, and it's allowing you to open different type of presentation files on different programs. So for example, if you have a PPT.x using the Apple's version of PowerPoint called Keynote, you'll be able to open it in different places, and that's why you can also put in X in there again at the end of the search. So again, PPTX, and then again you have right there, and once again it's all there, and you can open it straight onto your computer as well. I hope you find that useful today, and I would really appreciate it if you just subscribe using the link down below. I would really love it. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below as well, and I will be sure to get back to you. Until next time, see you soon.